Working with P&ID in Plant 3D and having the databases for process line information connected live will streamline your workflow and lower the margin of error drastically between the Plant 3D and P&IDs. If you have received a template project from Symetri or using Sovelia Plant template projects, this setup is already set for you to work with your projects. First, we will take a look at the standard Plant 3D workflow without Sovelia Plant. Here we can see a line in P&ID with some design data assigned to it. This line can now be grabbed from the P&ID line list inside Plant 3D. When you do this, you will get all process line information from the P&ID to Plant 3D drawing. As we can see, all information from the P&ID is now added to the same line number in Plant 3D model. But now we do a change in the process line information on our P&ID, changing the design temperature and operating temperature. This will not get added to the Plant 3D model pipelines. After placing the line from the line list, your connection to the P&ID is disconnected. Plant 3D and P&ID are not sharing the same process line information anymore. To fix this, we will need to use the project manager and work with Excel to copy the information between the two databases. A huge time-consuming task. Now let's see the big difference here when we use the Sovelia Plant workflow. Same starting scenario, we have a P&ID line with design data. In this case, we don't even need to use the P&ID line list if we don't want to. As long as we assign the same line number to an existing line or a new pipeline, we will inherit the process line data from the P&ID. The P&ID and Plant 3D are now connected to one another. This also means that if we do any changes on our P&ID, we can now run the command update links in current drawing to update the changes on the Plant 3D model, ensuring the process line informations are the same between the two databases. This also works the other way around. For example, we now change the process line information in the 3D model, and the P&ID is updated once we trigger update links in current drawing. To make sure all databases are the same on the P&ID and 3D models, Sovelia Plant will trigger an update of links every time you open a drawing. If you are sitting in a project where you want the P&ID to be the master model when it comes to the design data, you can turn off the connection from Plant 3D to P&ID, but still have the connection P&ID to Plant 3D active. This will ensure the process engineer will have full control of the process line information. Click on the Sovelia Property Management drop-down and select Plant Link, and deactivate the connection Plant 3D to P&ID. If you now change anything in the process line information in the 3D model, this will not affect the P&ID. And the next time you either run update links in current drawing or open the drawing, you will get the data overwritten from the P&ID.